I am Darren, taking the challenge of
two girls, 1 cup dare.
Girls, 1 cup.
At least now that seems more.
I'm done.
Oh! Oh!
No, you can't have
Oh, shit!
You can't cover your eyes.
Oh, shit! Oh, I'm gonna be sick! Are you sick? You gotta be serious! Oh! 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 What did they repeat itself? Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Oh! Oh! How long is this damn thing? You sick ass! You sick ass! What did you repeat itself?
Xander, quit!
You nasty, funky son of a bitch! Oh my god! Oh hell no! Oh, I'm gonna be sick! Oh god! That's just plain nasty shit! Oh my god! Tim, you're doing this challenge next.
I'm not.
Oh, no! Oh, hell no!
Maybe Tyler put it on repeat. Did you put it on repeat? Did you? You did.
You motherfucker! I'm shutting this fucking shit off.